Hello everyone, I'm Deborah and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you those content creators that were helpful to me when I was just coming out of the gates and starting my channel. So if you want to cut through hundreds of videos to get to those that will be of benefit to you and provide you with what you need to get started, then let's get right to it coming up next. Now, if you are a new YouTuber or you want to get started with your own channel, but you still don't know if it's too late for you or if you've gotten past that point and you just don't know where to start, just breathe. I have been there and you are in the right place. Check out my playlist above because coming from the perspective of another beginner, it will let you know that what you are feeling is actually normal and to not let those feelings discourage you from moving forward with pursuing your goals and your dreams and your passions. And please also subscribe to my channel by pressing that subscribe button below, and also remember to press that notification bell so that you will also be informed of every time I upload new content. Now that you've shaken off those nerves, anxiety, and possibly some doubt, and you know what the content is that you want to create, in order to deliver that content, at a minimum, you are going to need to know what you're going to use to do your filming, what editing software you're going to use. If you are, in fact, going to use music in your videos, then you need to know what sites to go to for copyright royalty-free music, how to create thumbnails, how to actually start a YouTube channel, and lastly, how to structure your video to maximize your views. After clocking probably hundreds of hours of watching YouTube to get the answers to these questions, I am going to share with you the content creators that helped me the most. Now, having said that, there are hundreds of creators out there that have some really awesome content, but the ones that I am going to share with you are the ones that I was able to connect to. What appeals to me may not actually appeal to you, and people learn differently. So it is extremely important that you find those creators that speak to you, engage you, and give you the answers that you need the way that you need them. And another thing, other techno-savvy people have gone before us and figured all this stuff out. So my objective is to use what is tried, true, and tested so that I can get to what I do, and that is to create content that will edify, educate, encourage, enlighten, enhance, and enrich. And the techno-savvy stuff is not it. I know my lane. I am not going to waste time recreating a wheel that is working just fine. Fair warning before I share my list, and that is these creators have been doing this for years and they've got hundreds of videos. But the good thing is that these videos are organized by category. So in order to stay focused and on point, what you need to do is to make sure that you know exactly what it is that you're looking for and to stick to it. Not like I know anything about that. Yeah, I would have a particular topic that I'm looking for, go out there, find it. I start off looking at that, and then I see other videos that they have that sound interesting, and then I'm off on a tangent. Way too much, way too overwhelming. So again, stick to a particular topic so that you do not become overwhelmed. And now to the list. So first, the filming gear. And again, so many good qualified creators out there. But for me, it was Sean Cannell, and one of his channels is Think Media. So there was a particular video that I saw as it pertains to camera gears, lighting, audio, etc. for YouTube beginners, and that's what sold me. And as a matter of fact, when I saw that particular video, it was right around November last year. And let's just say Santa Claus was good to me, y'all. And of course, I'll put the link to his channel in the card above and also in the description below. And also I'll share with you what I actually purchased. Y'all, I'm really serious about this YouTube channel, so I make sure I budget accordingly. But one thing that I have to tell you is that I am an Amazon Prime Queen. So question for you guys, and please let me know. I am an Amazon affiliate right now. Please let me know if my purchases will actually contribute to my affiliation with Amazon. Leave your comments below. Another creator that helped me is Nick Nimmin with YouTube and video tips. And this channel name says it all. YouTube and video tips all day, every day. And although his video list is extensive and lengthy, again, it is organized by category so that you can quickly find what you are looking for. But awesome, awesome, awesome content. Now, if mobile phone filming and editing is your thing, then check out D. Nimmin's, Nick's brother. And the name of his channel is, let me get this right, is Mobile Phone Video Production. And he's got content there for iPhones and Androids and laptops. And then there is Justin Brown with Primal Video. And what I got from him was editing tutorials, how to actually start a YouTube channel, and how to structure a video. Excellent content and easy to follow. And another note on editing software, when you decide which one you're going to use and you still need more help on it, search for it on YouTube, y'all. YouTube is a friend. My copyright royalty-free music suggestions came from Nick and Sean. And my thumbnail tips came from Nick and Justin. And again, I am going to leave the links to those videos and channels in the description below. And recently I saw a really good video from Brian G. Johnson where he talked about structuring your YouTube video, and great tips, easy to follow, and it's definitely going to be something that I will look at to start implementing as well. I have just condensed hours upon hours of YouTube watching into about 10 minutes. But again, because there are so many out there that are so good at what they do, you need to know when you have what you need and then cut it off. Otherwise, you are going to become a perpetual viewer and not a participator. Also, the information that I provided is what I felt that I needed at a minimum in order to build my foundation. And of course, as I continue to grow and continue on this journey, I will revisit more of their content to get some more tips and ideas. And I have to say, I've already looked at some of that content, but once again, too much too soon. You have to use what you need right now and keep it at a minimum. If you were lost and overwhelmed before, I hope my list and my experience help channel your focus. And I would greatly appreciate if you would leave your comments below and let me know if you have already checked out these creators and perhaps other creators, and let me know how they were able to help you as far as your YouTube journey is concerned. As I continue to grow and gain insight into this YouTube world, I will be sure to share my experiences with you, which hopefully will help make your journey a little bit easier. And once again, I thank you for tuning into my channel. And until we meet again, continue growing, continue thriving, and continue to push those boundaries. And I will see you soon on my next I've Got Something to Say.